like open this work file, we read its data, we close it, and now we can like we have some reading and writing files. Let's say you want to create to read a file or to write in a file. I open it like with writing here, but you can like open here the let's say in this example you want to open a file. There are two ways of opening a file. You have the way of opening it with f equal open this file, and you would have to close it, and that's when it will come why I was showing you this. You can open it this way and you would have to close it, or you can open it with this with open function, and you don't need to do closed. And this is something pretty handy in Python that is not really in other programming languages, or probably not in the ones I know about. Maybe in some new programming languages you have very similar functionalities. So here it does the opening and the closing for you. So here if you open this one, you say okay, f closed, they will say false. So if you open with this, you have to close it. So if you close, you will close it. If you try to read it, you can't read it because the file is closed. But if you do this one, so you open it and you do whatever you want here. You want to read your data, for example, you can read it, and here you can check if this file has been closed after this function, this with functionality, and here f is definitely closed.